Hello, and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, we will talk about how to cast off or bind off your stitches knitwise. This is just a plain, simple bind off method. First, let's pick up our working stitches in our left hand and our empty needle in our right hand, just as if we were to work like normal. We will then knit the first two stitches as per usual. Those are just a simple knit. Then we will take the first stitch on our needle and pull it over the second stitch and off the needle. There, we've bound off one stitch. Now we will knit the next stitch on our left hand needle like normal. And again, we will pull the first stitch on our right needle over the second stitch and off the right needle. We will continue to perform these actions, knit one, and bringing the first stitch over the second and off the right needle to bind off all of your stitches. You will do this until you have only one stitch remaining on your right hand needle. There. Now we have one stitch left on the right needle. All we need to do is put down our left needle, pull the yarn through, and then you will cut your yarn here so that you can weave in this end and this end at the beginning, and you will have your finished product. There, you've learned a simple knit bind off. This creates a simple and easy finishing to your project. If you continue to have questions, go ahead and replay this video at a slower speed or leave your questions in the comments below. I hope you found this tutorial simple and easy to follow. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you're interested in notifications, hit the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you around. Happy knitting!